Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is today's tutorial. Hopefully you clicked on the video because you want to see how I did this. I just used the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I don't use any other eyeshadows. I think recently I've been using like mixtures and stuff, which is sometimes a bit annoying, but every eyeshadow I used is from this palette. So if you have this palette, then this is the right tutorial to click on. So this look was kind of requested by Kate. Thank you so much for the request. I think it's so cool being requested. I don't know, I feel all, you know, snazzy. I really hope you enjoy and I hope it reaches your expectation. So yeah, that is today's video. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy what you watch, then please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, tell me what you thought, and please do click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Right, okay, so the palette I'm going to be using is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Oh, try not to drop it. It's an absolute state, so please do forgive me for the mess of my palettes. I know I should just clean them, but I don't. Right, so the first shade we're going to go into is this. Oh my god, this is hard to show. This red burgundy dark maroony shade. I really hope that's in shot, but you never know. So I'm going to go into that burgundy shade and I'm just going to start really packing that onto my crease, my lid, and anywhere it'll go basically. Okay, so once you've got that like raccoon look going for you, I'm gonna go into this yellow shade, but then also, yeah, I'm gonna have to spin again. Then also like the orange shade as well. Oh my god. I really hope you guys can see these colours that I'm pointing at. And I'm just gonna use them colours to blend this red out. And then taking that orange on a denser brush just to make sure it's nice and blended. We haven't got any like harsh lines. I'm then going to take the Olivia Belle white gel liner and I'm going to use this to cut the centre part of my lid. I use the white liner just because it's more pigmented than the base that I've been using, so yes, that's what I'm going to use. That is looking crazy. As usual, when do my looks not look crazy? I'm going to go into this shimmery shade here. So yeah, I'm going to take that on a wet brush and I'm just going to pack that on to kind of where we cut, but leaving like a centre part. That makes no sense, but... And then I'm going to take that burgundy shade we first went in with and I'm just going to blend the sides into that shimmer shade. And then for the centre part, I'm just going to take that second shimmer shade. I think those two are like really similar, but I think the second one is just a little bit whiter, even though they look really similar. I'm looking at them now, but like, who even cares? I think they'll both have the same effect, but that's just the personal one I'm going with. Next, I'm going to take the Supercat Soap and Glory liquid eyeliner and just do a small line across my lid. This is just to cover the lash band, so it's not going to be anything too extreme. And then I'm just going to take the black in the shade and just deepen up that outer corner. And then I'm just going to take the Maybelline Big Eyes Volume Express mascara and just apply a few coats to them top lashes. Okay, so for my eyelashes, I'm going to take the Olivia Belle lashes in the style Kimmy. These are really long and glamorous, as you can probably see. Yeah. I'm just going to trim them and put some glue on them, and then I will be back in a second. And then I'm going to go back into them light shades and use them to highlight my brow bone and also my inner corner. Like, I fully just put that on my eyebrow. Okay, so now that them eyelashes are nice and stuck on and humongous, I'm just gonna do the lower lash line really quickly. The first, oh my lord. Right, so the one I'm gonna go in with first is this dark green shade. I really hope you can see that. And I'm just gonna focus this on linking this top bit to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into these two bright bluey, greeny, teal kind of shades and run them along the rest of the lower lash line. Kind of doing like a mixture of the shimmer and the matte because I can never decide. And then I don't have like a green waterline colour, so I'm just going to take this KIKO colour eye pencil in this blue shade. What is the name of you? Oh, this is in the shade 11. I don't know if you can see that blue. It's like a blue, but it's like quite bright, so it works. And I'm just going to put that into the waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with that mascara and apply a few coats to my lower lashes. And then I'm just going to clean it up with a wipe to finish it off. And that is the finished eyes. I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought. If you have any questions, requests, go for it. And yeah, click subscribe so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, all my social medias are down below if you're ever interested. I hardly ever tweet, but I do post on Instagram, and you know, sometimes people like to see things like that. So yeah, all my social media links are down below if you are interested. So anyway, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much once again for watching. I will see you in a few days with a new video. And yeah, thanks once again. I do appreciate it very much. If you got to this point, you're amazing. Thank you. Bye everyone.